Sam, firstly, if you could tell us when exactly we are expecting a verdict and what are we expecting when that verdict is handed down?
So I'm currently standing outside the tribunal here in Dakar, and we've not been given an exact time for when this verdict should drop. But we have been told that it should be on Thursday morning, in other words, in the next few hours, realistically. For many Senegalese people, this verdict simply can't come soon enough. The case itself, the rape case against Ousmane Sonko, is incredibly divisive and has been really at the root of many protests, some of them violent, going all the way back to 2021 when the allegations against him were first made. But the verdict itself should be coming, as I said, in not too long now. Many people are simply holding their breath in anticipation.
And Sam, are there fears of further unrest then following those calls for mass protests?
Well, I've been speaking to various people outside of the tribunal today. There's a heavy police presence, not just in my immediate surroundings, but also throughout the city. And when you speak to people on the street, there is some concern about potential unrest today. Ousmane Sonko and his supporters have said from the beginning that they don't see this court as a legitimate court and they don't see the case as a legitimate case. And so, of course, should a guilty verdict fall, it's unlikely that they would accept the decision of the judge, which is why we could potentially see some unrest later in the day and in coming days, realistically speaking, should Mr. Sonko be found guilty. I think should Mr. Sonko evade a guilty sentence, it might be another story, but there are certainly fears of disruption later today and in the coming days.
And Sam, as you say, that verdict could be coming in the next couple of hours. That's our correspondent in Senegal, Sam Bradpiece. Thanks for that.